Good day, YouTubers. Today I'm going to be replacing the conventional screen in this window with a sun blocking screen. You will find that these screens are held in with a rib. Different windows have different size ribs. I did find out on my screen door that I had to buy a smaller rib. This particular window is a fairly small rib and will work with my sun blocking screen. I'm using a mechanic's pick to pull the rib out. The kit that's linked in the description actually comes with a pick. So I'll remove the original screen, measure, and cut the replacement screen. This screen material is thicker than traditional screen, so this will fit fairly tight, but I know that on this window it will work. One of the things I do to kind of help the process is I can take my tool and kind of push the screen into the track, then lay the rib and just chase the groove with the tool. Go ahead and switch. With the screen in, the rib all nice and tight, everything's nice and straight, you may have to actually remove the rib and tighten your screen and reinstall the rib to get it to come out right. Depends on how your window is built. So to get rid of the scrap, we'll cut with my shiny new box cutter right up against the rib. It's all installed. Everything's trimmed. It's just a matter of putting the screen back in the window. As always, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.